My friend, let's talk about relationship 101. While I'm waiting for someone, aka my wife, sumakay sa car. So, relationship 101, what it's all about? Gusto ko lang i-remind you and also myself about partnership, the importance of partnership. Sometimes we tend to neglect our partner, boyfriend, girlfriend. Nakakalimutan natin that we should be together, that we should be as one, we should be united. And most of the time we let our pride, we let our emotions get the better of us. So I'm talking from experience, and I want to help you, my friend, and remind you most of all that the relationship is more important than winning the argument. The relationship is more important than you getting the last say. The relationship is more important than you winning, quote, the battle or the war. Diba? Ano ba mas mahalaga? Yung masabi natin na tayo ang may huling salita, that we won, or we have peace in our heart and we have peace with our partner, di ba? So, as a short video, just want to remind you, my friend, what matters most. What's more important than winning the argument? What's more important than proving who's right and who's wrong? Diba? So, that's why they call it a partner eh. A partner is someone that no matter how difficult life is, sila yung kasama natin. My friend, you know what? No one knows you more than your partner. No one knows you more than your girlfriend. Diba? So, or boyfriend, to say. So, it's important that we keep the peace. We make sure that we do the right thing, biblical way as well. Because you know what Satan, the enemy, wants to happen is the division. He wants us to do the divide and conquer approach. Noon pa yon, ganun na yung strategy niya. So in a family, in a relationship, that's what he wants. He wants separation, he wants division, he wants divorce, he wants argument, he wants fight, yung ganon. My friend, life is like a vapor. Ganyan lang ang buhay. So, let's live life na full of love, especially to those people that loves us, that cares about us. You know, the rest doesn't matter. The riches in life doesn't matter kung wala tayong peace, di ba? So, my friend, I hope in this short video you've learned something. And I always appreciate you. I always appreciate your comment, your DMs, for sharing this video. And I always appreciate your time. So, ayan, malapit na siyang dumating siguro si Missy. So, until next time, take care. God bless. Stay in peace. Love your partner. And your blessing is on the way. The best is yet to come, my friend. Okay? Bye. Till next time. Yeah. Yun.